Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to tell you exactly what to do to thrive in this shifting real estate market, in this changing real estate environment. We know that there's stuff happening with the economy. There's inflation, there's fear of a recession. Interest rates have gone up. We're seeing in real estate more properties being listed for sale. We're seeing even more expired listings in most markets, more price reductions. And if you watch the news, and I highly recommend you don't, you might be panicking. You might have some fear of what's going to happen now. Am I going to be able to have a great career? Am I going to make money? And am I going to take listings? So I'm going to tell you what you need to do so that the next 12 months, even if it's the first 12 months, because you may be a brand new real estate agent, can be amazingly productive, profitable, and effective for you. And that is the one thing, and I'm going to say the most important thing that you need to do is take full and complete responsibility for the results that you are producing or not producing. And what I mean by that is, do not ever again, after you watch this video, blame anything or anyone for what is happening to you. And I'm going to explain to you why. When you blame the economy, the interest rates, your broker, or other agents in your market that you consider to be your competitors because they're cutting commission or they're overpricing property, whatever is going on, when you blame them for the fact that you're not able to take listings, well, it's because, too many agents are calling, and it's because of these discount companies. That's why I'm not able to produce results. You become a victim of this situation, the people or the circumstances. And when you're a victim and you're blaming someone else, you're out of control, meaning there's nothing you can do. There's nothing you can do to change the economy or interest rates or what discount agents are doing or even your broker or anything else. Realize the only thing you have control over are your actions. Your actions. And your actions are a product of what you are thinking about. What you think about causes you to feel a certain way and do certain things or not do them and do them a certain way that will get you results or it won't get you results. Now, this whole conversation of taking responsibility, see, because I could give you a lot of different tool strategies. I could tell you what to do. Some other videos, I do that. I talk about that a lot. But if you are not taking full and complete responsibility for what you do, it's not likely that anything else that I tell you to do would actually get you the results that I'm sure you desire to have, which is just sell more homes and make more money. And the reason for that is because you are not in control. Are you in control of what you do every day? Absolutely. Is it easy to control what you do? Not really. It requires discipline. It requires you to build good habits. And you might have right now some habits that are not really good. They're not getting you what you want. If they're not getting you what you say you want or what you desire, they're not supporting you in what you want to accomplish. You have control over that. The problem is, again, without taking full responsibility, you are out of control. And I don't know about you. I don't like being out of control. Have you ever tried to change somebody in your life? I don't know, maybe a friend that does things a certain way and you want them to change, or some family member, spouse, significant other? How did that work out for you? It's literally impossible. And I want to reason with you here. You know how hard it is to change. Change is not easy, period, because we're creatures of habit. So we become accustomed to a certain way of thinking and certain things we do. So it's not easy. As hard as it is for us to change ourselves, think about that. How likely is it that you're going to change somebody else? You are not. So the best thing you can do is focus on yourself. And every day, I'm going to give you a little bite size of something here. Set a goal for yourself every single day. At the end of the day, write down 3 things that you learned that day. Because I believe, regardless of your results, if you actually have a goal to learn and improve every single day, the consistency of that compounds. Whether you do positive things or negative things, consistency compounds, period. But you actually having the goal to learn every day, write down, keep a journal of great ideas and things you've learned that day. And the next day, implement what you've learned and make changes so that you can improve your results. That's what success actually is. It's making improvements and learning every single day. Everything you do is not going to work out. See, the last thing you want to do is live the definition of insanity, doing the same thing over every day, over and over and over and over, and you're not getting results. But if you're committed to learning, improving, and getting better, and applying what you're learning, you're making progress every single day. And you may not see huge changes from one day to the next, but you're going to look back 3 months, 6 months, a year from now, and your business is going to be completely different. Your life will be so much better. Everything takes time. It doesn't happen overnight. But when you take responsibility, you can then, again, have this goal. Have a journal for great ideas and things you're learning, because that makes you feel good. It doesn't matter what happened in a particular day. If you're doing your very best every day and you're learning, you're feeling good, please make sure you do whatever it takes to feel good. Because when you feel like crap, you don't produce results and you don't even want to do more work. So, one thing, avoid the news. You need to be informed about what's happening in the real estate market, because you need to stay positive for yourself and for the prospects and clients that you work with. But watching the news is trashing your energy. Focus on getting the information you need to make sure that you're informed about the real estate business, and look at always in a positive light, because there is. If you listen to the news, you're just going to bombard your mind with negative stuff. And when you do that, you don't feel good. And when you don't feel good, you don't want to work. You don't want to do anything. You think, the sky's falling down. Well, it's not. There's a tremendous amount of opportunity out there. Again, number one thing, take responsibility for your career. No one is in control of the results you produce but yourself. Give me your thoughts on the comments below. Let me know if you have any questions. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm putting out videos every single week. I'll see you soon.